In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the motion blur effect in CapCut PC. So, um, you can add your videos you want to edit. To make the motion blur effect, you can select effect and select video effect, and then select the distortion. So you can find the shadow flow, but this is for effect. You have to join Profs to be able to use this effect. So download this effect and add to the track, and you can adjust the duration the same with your video, and then you can adjust for the option of the shadow flow effect right here for the filter and strength, noise, range. So you can see for the final result. So that's how you can create the motion blur effect. I hope yeah, I hope that was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share.